The idea of eating pancakes on Shrove Tuesday is more than 1,000 years old. In total, Brits use an unbelievable 52 million eggs on Pancake Day. That's almost 22 million more than any day. The largest pancake ever made measured 15 meters and weighed in at 3 tons. The most flips anyone has ever done with a pancake is 349 flips in 2 minutes. Over a lifetime, an average person will eat 7,300 eggs. In France, people make a wish before flipping their pancakes. They do this while holding a coin in their other hand. On average, we consume 2 pancakes per person on Pancake Day, which means that we get through 117 million pancakes in one day. Some of the weirdest pancake toppings include sour cream and caviar, ketchup and mustard, and cream cheese and strawberries. Andrei Smirnov from Russia ate a colossal 73 pancakes in 1 hour. That's more than one a minute. The Guinness World Record for the most pancakes served in 8 hours is 34,818. Before baking soda was invented, cooks often used fresh snow to make the pancakes fluffy and soft. The highest pancake toss reached 329 centimeters high. In France and the United States, Pancake Day is called Mardi Gras, which means Fat or Grease Tuesday. On Pancake Day, there is a race held in Buckinghamshire, Britain, which started in 1445. During the race, women run 415 yards carrying a frying pan, tossing their pancake at the beginning and end of the race. This is believed to be the very first commercialization of pancakes. Coincidentally, the first pancake recipe occurred in an English cookbook in the 15th century. According to Aunt Jemima's historical timeline, Chris Rutt and Charles Underwood of the Pearl Milling Company developed Aunt Jemima, the first pancake ready mix, in 1889. They promptly sold this to Archie Davis in 1890, who then brought on the Aunt Jemima character to life when he hired Nancy Green.